Here's how to set up a recurring investment on Robinhood. So you're going to select what to invest in. Maybe we're going to pick Apple, the Apple stock. We'll search for it, just search for Apple, you can find it right here. And once we're on that page, on the right-hand side, you'll see a Buy Apple box. And we can select the order type, and that's where you change to a recurring investment. So we click on this, scroll down a little, and we'll find a recurring investment. Now we can select the amount, maybe it's $5. We can select when exactly this starts. Keep in mind, I'm masking some of the numbers on this page, so you see this calendar isn't quite right, but it will look right for you. So maybe I'll pick today, or tomorrow, I guess, Friday. And so we click on that, and then we can choose the frequency. We can do it every single day. We can set it up for every week, every 2 weeks, or even every month. Maybe I'll do it every week, for instance. From here, we can choose our where we're paying from. So you can select your buying power, or you can choose from a bank account to basically deposit directly from that bank account to this recurring investment. You can also have a backup payment method here. And then when you review your order, it'll basically tell you and make sure that you're right on this recurring investment, that you'll buy $5 of Apple every week on Friday, and when your first order will be placed. Because you can technically start this in the future if you want to, instead of just right now today. And that will set up your recurring investment on Robinhood.